British luxury has its manners, but Chinese design is getting wild. Welcome back to Vision Effect TV. Today, we're stepping into the future with a stunning digital creation from the visionary designer Lao Gao. This is his take on the 2027 Tank 500, and it's a total beast. Lao Gao's digital render pushes the Tank 500's off-road attributes to the extreme. Look at the widened wheel arches and that integrated roof-mounted LiDAR, a sign of future autonomous off-roading. The aggressive front fascia and the Dunhuang Green finish make this concept look like it belongs in a high-end survival movie. While this is a digital study, the vision behind it is grounded in reality. Lao Gao imagines this monster sitting on the new Hi4Z Super Hybrid platform, delivering over 900 Newton-meters of torque. It features a lifted suspension and high-intensity spotlights for those deep trail, midnight adventures. It's the perfect blend of digital art and engineering ambition. Inside, the concept envisions a cabin where luxury meets military-grade tech. Massive 3K displays, real-time terrain telemetry, and a cockpit designed for a pilot who isn't afraid to get a little mud on the tires. Lao Gao's work reminds us that the future of the Tank 500 could be much more aggressive than we ever imagined. Would you like to see GWM bring this design to life? Let's talk in the comments. I'm Ava, and I'll see you in the next digital evolution.